Hey, I actually wasn't gonna make a video, but I felt that this week really needed a video because I discovered something, and it's to write a mistake and maybe to do somewhat of a re-review. So this week I'm using a scuttle again. Haven't been using a scuttle for some time now, and the reason I'm using maca root. And the reason why I am using a scuttle is because I just realized I made a mistake reviewing Bobby Works. Anyway, I made a mistake reviewing the one of the what's that? Let's see here. One of my favorite ikon slant razors. Yeah, I said that this razor easily gets stuffed up, and you know, it's the weak point is that if I have too much growth, it will start. I realized that after watching, I think the video was a gentleman called Mr. Friendly Shave or something. That my foam was too dry, and after trying like adding a bit more water to the foam, it was fine. This thing shaves great. So let's do it again this week. Yeah. So even after shaving for so many years, just watching some basic videos like gave me like and really viewing it like a beginner again made me realize that maybe I should re-evaluate this guy. And true enough, I think you can see that the foam is not too light. You can't really see the beard, you can't really see the skin, so it's fine. But the razor really doesn't stuff up anymore, and what I originally thought was like a design flaw of some kind turns out to be just my foam being too thick, so it always just gets stuck on the razor itself. Now, this razor, if you take away that problem, this razor is just great. No problem whatsoever with this razor, and quickly done with the first pass. After the razors to the second pass. Okay, this is the foam. Let's go. What I did was, I essentially just added a few drops of water. I think it was a little bit more than a few drops of water. And adjust accordingly. You know, like if I really have to, it's a really bit, I feel it's too, just make a few dips of thing, and then go to the scuttle again, and here we go. Initially when I started on the channel, I got a lot of comments from people saying that, hey brother, your foam just looks too thin, and you can see through the, and I made the mistake of going the other extreme, which is actually to make the foam really thick. Beginner's mistake, I guess. Now this razor, if you minus that problem just now, shaves great, and just gives me like something closer shave, which I really appreciate. Smile, and like I don't even think that this I'm shaving with a slant razor. It just feels that natural in the hand, no? I just shave like it's normal razor. Sorry, I really look like Santa Claus, I think. Okay, last pass. Try to make this fast. I only have got one thing to say, essentially, is that this now, I'm re-looking back at it, there's nothing here, there's no residue of beard or whatever there. Is going to be in my rotation a whole lot more often than it was before. Okay, it could be good. It's done with small nick here. It's fine. Chalk this up. This being not be careful. Okay, and we're done. So, shout outs to you, Friendship Channel Shave, and you really helped this brother find a new appreciation for his razor, which I bought from Mass Drop, and I was like not shaving with it as often as I should, although it's a great razor, because of the fact that it always gets clogged up. Now there's not that problem anymore, and because of that, thank you, and I will continue appreciating shaves like a true beginner. And to all of you, until we see each other again, happy shaving. Selamat bercukur from Malaysia.